How's it going, Forex traders? Does this guy look familiar to you? Take a look at him. His name is Benjamin Franklin. The truth is, every single Forex trader, if you're wondering what this is $10,000 cash. I just broke the seal, ladies and gentlemen. And in this video, we're going to be discussing something very important, okay? How can we take this to make all of this? How can we grow a small Forex trading account, me and you today? So I want you to sit down right there, guys. And I want you guys to stick around to the very end of this video, because at the end of the day, this is every Forex trader's dream. They want to be able to make at least their first $10,000. I get that. I was once in your position. Now, guys, you have to understand something. You see, I came into this market as a young 17-year-old Forex trader, and I, was looking for what to do online, stumbled across Forex trading, and I didn't have much. I probably had one or two, at best three. Okay, and that's the stage most of you are in right now. So today I have my notepad with me. We're going to sit down and we're going to discuss how can we make this. Okay, because at the end of the day, you guys have very small accounts, and I won't lie to you, when I was first started off trading, I tried it several times. I remember taking, I think $200 or $300 all the way to about $7,000, and along the way, something happened. So in this video, I'm going to be stressing, okay, if I was to do it all over again, how would I do it differently? If you don't know me, guys, my name is Dapo Willis, and I'm one of the most famous traders on the internet. I've gone on to make a significant amount of money. Just last year alone, I made $95 million from this same Forex market. So if there's anybody you want to listen to, if there's anybody you want to learn about growing a small account into something huge, it is me. So like I said at the beginning of this video, sit right there, don't go anywhere. It's for your benefit. I'm doing this for you because I already got the money. I'm sure you can see I got loads of this shit, right? So it's for your own good. You want some of this? If you want this, type $10,000 in the comment section down below. Type 10 grand right now so I know you're serious. All right, people, so welcome into the video. Like I said at the beginning of this video, we're going to be discussing, okay, the most realistic strategy to grow a small trading account. Like I said at the beginning of this video, most of you guys come into this game, you ain't got that much money. That's the truth. Majority of people who come into the Forex market ain't got that much money. That's why they're here anyways, so it is only fair for us, somebody in my position who's made a lot of money, to be able to come back on YouTube and help you guys, those of you who are struggling. What is the most realistic approach to growing your small account into something big? All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I've got my notepad with me, I've got my pen, and I've got my laptop here, and today we're going to be working out a game plan that you guys can use to grow that small account size that you have. All right, guys, so like I said, you want to stick around to the very end of this video because I'm going to be sharing a lot of secrets, okay, as to how you can make it happen. Don't forget, I've gone on to make a lot of money in this market. I know it all, not everything, but I know most of the shit that you need to make money, right? So stick around, don't go anywhere. And before you do anything, smash the subscribe button right there. Smash it. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's jump into this. So guys, with my notepad, okay, the number one secret that I want to share with you guys that would absolutely transform your trading, that will take that small account into something huge. The very first thing is taking quality trades over quantity. Now, the problem is because we have very small accounts, and I'm going to be explaining to you guys in detail how you should go about it. You see, the problem with most Forex traders out there is the fact that they have very small account sizes, and rather every single trade that they see, they want to jump into. That is the primary mistake a lot of them make. Now, this is exactly how you should be going about it. You see, let's take an example. I have 2 of it, right? I have $200. You have to understand something, guys. This $200, first of all, if I'm only making a little percentage of this $200, maybe I make 10%, 20%, it's not gonna get me far, right? So I know that I need to increase my risk. Whether we like it or not, we have to increase our risk. We are not trading a massive amount of money. This is very small and we need to make it count. However, higher risk equals higher reward. Higher risk also equals higher fail rates. If you fail with a high risk, you're going out the game. So we want to protect our account with everything we got. So as we're going into this, and this is the game plan, I have my notepad, okay? The name of this subject right now is how to make a lot of money in a short period of time. How to grow that small account, right? The very first thing, ladies and gentlemen, we want to be doing is taking quality over quantity trades. That's the very first thing. Now, the reason I said this, like I said before, is at the end of the day, you don't have that much room to make for error, right? Because we're risking a lot to make a lot. Now, the idea is for you to bring out your sniper mode. This is when you want to bring out your sniper mode. And like I said in most of my previous videos, the most realistic way for you guys to trade the Forex market with a reduced amount of exposure and a higher amount of win rate is to stick to the US dollar pairs. So for this, when we talk about quality over quantity, we're only going to be trading US dollar pairs. Only US dollar pairs, that's one thing. The second thing we're going to be doing is we're only going to be trading trending markets, okay? Still under the subset of quality over quantity. US dollar pairs only. Now, you're probably wondering, why is he talking about US dollar pairs? Like US dollar pairs, I like GBP JPY, I like GBP CHF. Bro, at the end of the day, history has told us, right, that the easiest Forex pairs to trade are US dollar based pairs. Why? Because they're a lot easier to interpret. Why is this the case? You have to understand that the market moves based on mass human psychology. And tell me, what is that financial instrument that everybody always trades? It's the US dollar. So a lot of liquidity means it is a lot more predictable, because a lot more people are trading it. And if I give you an example, a support level, everybody can see the support level. You can see the support level. I can see the support level. So if the market is going to a support level and we know it's a support level, you're buying, I'm buying, best believe every motherfucker out there is buying that shit. You get what I mean? So first of all, we're sticking to US dollar pairs. The second thing we want to be doing is we want to be trading trending markets. Yes, guys, the trend is your friend. You have to understand that you don't have that much room for error. This is all you have. That's all you have. We don't have that much room for error. So we need to be very strategic. No more, and in this phase, stay out of ranging markets, ladies and gentlemen. And you're probably wondering, how do I determine if it's a ranging market, if it's a trending market? How do I know what strategy to get into the game? That's what I'm going to be revealing to you guys in my next point. So guys, at the end of the day, like I said at the beginning of this point, quality over quantity. So now you want to come out and you want to be looking like a sniper. I only see, how do snipers operate? Think about it. Snipers operate in a way whereby nobody can see them. They only come out when the target is ripe, like this. You want to go, you want to go down, and you come, That's exactly how you want to be doing, ladies and gentlemen. So guys, that is the first secret that I have to share with you guys. Is that it's not that much of a secret, but a lot of people tend to forget this. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll repeat myself once again, quality over quantity. All right, guys, you're probably wondering to yourself, okay, we've spoken about quality over quantity, right? Like I said in the first point, we want to what? Come up like a sniper. We only want to trade US dollar pairs and we only want to trade trending markets. But I said something in the first point. I said, you also want to be able to go into the market with a strategic edge. And the only thing that could give you a strategic edge is a top-notch Forex trading strategy. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me present to you the most realistic Forex trading strategy out there, which is called the top-down analysis. Ladies and gentlemen, what this does for you is very simple. You see, it allows you see the bigger picture. Don't forget, you don't have that much room for error. You don't, okay? You want to see everything. If there's gonna be trouble in front, you wanna know. You wanna know. If not, you'll never be able to bring in all the damn Benjamins. If you wanna turn this to this, you need to be able to see the bigger picture. And that's exactly what the top-down analysis does for you. You see, I have used the top-down analysis to take me from being a young 17-year-old kid to where I am today. Guys, I made $95 million last year. But let me explain to you how it works. You see, the top-down analysis is basically an approach to the Forex market whereby you work your way down from a higher time frame all the way down to a lower time frame for your execution. Now, how exactly does this work? You see, ideally, I will take the monthly time frame. Now, the monthly time frame gives me the general perspective of the market. It gives me the general overview of the market. We can't trade on the monthly time frame, but the monthly time frame is the almighty. It's like Google Maps. You don't have that much fuel in your car, right? And you're trying to get somewhere. Tell me, what are you gonna do? What's the first thing you're gonna do? Are you just gonna drive into any freaking road? No, you're gonna check Google Maps to see the areas that have the least amount of traffic because you're trying to get home. This is home and this is how much fuel you got. Right? Good. So that's the same thing with top-down analysis. You go on a monthly time frame and you want to see, is this market ranging or is this market trending? So you want to go on the monthly time frame and you want to look out for markets that don't worry guys, you're probably wondering, how can I get more detail about this? I'll share it with you. I'm always here to share the love with you guys. So anyways, back to what I was saying. So the monthly time frame, we only want to look out for what? Trending markets. On the weekly time frame, what you're actually supposed to be doing is to be looking out for, are there any points of reversals? Meaning, do we have any double tops, any double bottoms? Is this market in a range? Once the weekly time frame is in line with the monthly time frame, you then scale to the daily time frame. Now, the daily time frame, don't forget, monthly, weekly, we can't trade. Daily is where you want to come out and look out for the most immediate trend within the overall trend. So what does this mean? Like, this guy's capping. I ain't capping. This is exactly how it works. You see, monthly, weekly, we can't trade it. It's so flowing south. When you scroll to the daily, you then start to see, you know, the pullbacks up and down, blah, blah, blah. Now, let's say the market is flowing down. Once we can identify the daily trend is in line with the other two bigger boys, you're like, we're in business. Then you scale to a 4-hour, and then that is exactly where you want to start refining your entry. And because your account size is small, ideally you will scale down to the 1 hour or 15 minutes for your entry. Unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, I wish I could explain more in detail to you guys about the top-down analysis, but you're in luck. I can't do it here because obviously people gotta go home. It's our entire, literally, course, ladies and gentlemen. So I've put the top-down analysis together for you guys in the course. It's called the Forex Mastery Program. Click the link in the description down below, wherever it is you are in the world. You wanna be able to turn this into all these Benjamins. You need the Forex Mastery Program. It's just 99 bucks, ladies and gentlemen. Click the link down below or around here, grab yourself the Forex Mastery Program, digest that course. It's made me $95 million, guys. Digest it, and you're pretty much on your way to taking this into all the money you ever wanted to make. Now, this program also helps for struggling traders as well. If you're out there, you've been struggling, this Forex thing isn't working for me, you got nothing to lose, bro. Click the link down below. Get the Forex Mastery Program. It will teach you. You can use the Forex Mastery Program, the top-down analysis, to analyze any single pair out there. Anything you want to analyze, any market, S&P 500, gold, crude oil, Forex pairs, all the Forex pairs. Like I said in this video, we're sticking to US dollar pairs. See, top-down analysis, the way it handles US dollar pairs, it makes it look like child's play. You would analyze a massive move in 2-3 minutes. It will teach you how to become a maestro. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, click the link down below, get the Forex Mastery Program. It was put together by my humble self, Dapo Willis. All right, guys, so now let's jump into the next secret that everybody's been waiting for. Let's go. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, so now we know the first point that we spoke about, quality over quantity. We've spoken about strategy. I believe that you've clicked the link down below by this point of the video and you've gotten your Forex Mastery Program. Now, the next thing that everybody's wondering is, okay, with this small account, how much exactly should I be risking? Risk management is very important because if you risk too much, all you need is 2 losing trades and you're out. But if you risk too little, you don't cover any ground, you don't make that much money. So the elephant in the room, the golden question is, how much money exactly should I be risking? And the answer is very simple. You see, when you have a small account size, ideally you should be risking 20 to 25%. Me, I trade massive account sizes, I risk only 3%. But because you guys, you ain't got that much money. So 25% is the way to go. So think about it, guys. If I'm risking, so I've got $200, right? I'm risking 25% of $200. So 25% of $200 is 50 bucks, right? So usually the way the top-down analysis works and the Forex Mastery Program works is the setups you're going to be seeing here, they have huge pip counts. So at the end of the day, you're going to be risking $50 to make anywhere between $500 to $700. Yes. Massive gains. That's exactly how powerful the top-down analysis is. It's crazy, guys. That's why I said click the link down below and get it, because it's crazy, because you will be using it. Like, we don't want to risk too much, but we don't want to risk too little, right? But we will just want to be right there in the middle. So 25% is fair. So if you're risking $50 out of this, and you're able to pull between $400 to $600, that's huge. Like, you've pretty much tripled this account in one trade, right? And you're probably saying to yourself, is that really possible? Guys, trust me, sometimes I only take 4 or 5 trades and like the percentage return is crazy. You see, Forex, at the end of the year, risk management is important and all of that. Forex trading is really about having the right strategy, knowing when to enter and when to come out. And the good thing about the top-down analysis is at the end of the day, it shows you, that's why I said we worked our way from the monthly. So it shows you you the bigger picture. Oh, this market is about to move 1,000 pips, 2,000 pips. You're like, okay, cool. Then you scale to a 4-hour time frame. You scale to a 1 minute, 15-minute time frame. Then you're risking how many pips? 30 pips. Imagine risking 30 pips to make 500 pips. Fam, you will make this money in no time, trust me. So back to what I was saying, let's stay focused. What risk management strategy should you employ? If you have a small account size, I'm not going to waste too much time on this. 25% is the way to go, but there's a downside to that. You only have 4 lives. Yeah, 4 lives. That's what I'm saying is that you don't want to play around. You don't want to use any kind of strategy. You don't want to, it can't just be any strategy you're going to be using, right? You only got 4 lives. So you got to make it count. That's why when I started this video, I said, you want to take quality over quantity. And the only strategy that's going to give you quality over quantity that's tested over time is the top-down analysis in the Forex Mastery Program. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give an applause for the top-down analysis. Click the link down below with your 25% risk per trade with the Forex Mastery Program. Guys, you're going to make all the returns you want to make, ladies and gentlemen. All right, guys, so that is one secret that I wanted to share with you guys, which is the risk management. 25% is nothing more, nothing less. That's the sweet spot. I've done this before. I've tried it before. I've flipped several small accounts into something massive, and I can tell you 25% is the sweet spot. All right, guys, so the most anticipated secret that I actually wanted to share with you guys, actually one of the most anticipated, was the best strategy to use. However, I want to obviously use this opportunity to introduce you guys into something that I feel, if you have a small account, could really help you. You see, most of the time, what usually kills most traders is spread. Massive spreads, brokers are trying to take you out. It's absolutely crazy and mind-blowing. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me present to you the best Forex broker in the world right now. It is called W Markets. You want to be able to work with a Forex broker that is, one, trusted, because at the end of the day, you don't want to put money in and then the money never comes. W Markets, I use them. The best right now, everybody's talking about W Markets. You want to know why? Even most importantly, W Market charges 0 spread, provided you are able to make a deposit above minimum deposit $250. So you have your $250, so I don't have $50. So even if you have, okay, $300, right? If you have just this little, okay, and you want to obviously grow it into something huge, and you don't want a broker that's going to, guys, I know how much spread brokers take from small traders, and they always prey on smaller traders because they know smaller traders are, they're going to lose their money. You're not going to lose your money. You're going to grow your account into something big. So ladies and gentlemen, I advise you guys, after you get the Forex Mastery Program, you want to, obviously you need a broker to trade at the end of the day. I ensure you use a broker that has 0 spread. Today, without any doubt, I recommend W Markets. Get yourself the program and fund your account with W Market. The link is in the description down below. I am very proud to be associated with that company because they care about traders. I use them as well. I use them for all my trading, and most recently I've moved all my big investors to be trading with them as well. Because why? 0 spread. You don't want any charges on your small money. No brokerage firm does that. And another good part about this is the fact that your withdrawals are processed within 20 minutes. Yes. You get your money within 20 minutes. Actually, most of the time is even a lot shorter, but they usually say, please give us between 10 to 20 minutes to get your money. Sometimes in 5 minutes, yeah, right? Bam. But literally right now, they hold a record for the fastest withdrawal period. So you want to, guys, you want to click the link down below. Obviously, after you've gotten the Forex Mastery Program, start to trade today with W Markets so that you have a broker. And one thing I like about them is that they have customer service. Like, you can pick up the phone and call them at any time. Be like, yo, what's going on with my trade, man? Where's my money? They'll be like, calm down, sir. Don't worry. Your money's safe enough. You're like, all right, cool. I'm just checking. And the good thing about it is, oh, I forgot to tell you guys, another benefit of W Markets is, should I tell them everything about W? Nah, I'll let you guys go to the site. The link is in the description down below. I'll let you guys go to the site. They have a lot of goodies. I love them because they put traders first, okay? When you're done taking the Forex Mastery Program and you fund your account, as a consultant will call you and ask you, how's your trading going? They care, bro, they care. This is what you need. You need psychological help. They'll ask you, okay, would you want further education? Because they have their own educational platform as well. Now, do you want education? Do you want this? What do you want? We want you to be profitable, because when you're profitable, they are profitable as well. So I wanted to quickly spill that bean in for that. Just sprinkle in that right there. W Markets, ladies and gentlemen, 0 spread and instant withdrawal withdraw is one of the ways I feel you guys should use, one of the best ways, one of the most reliable ways to ensure you're able to grow your little account. All right, guys, ladies and gentlemen, let's jump into the last point so that I can let you guys go. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so last but not the least, the most important secret I wanted to share with you guys. Stick to the top-down analysis and use that to scale your damn accounts. If it's not time to trade, don't trade. The problem and what kills most traders out there is jumping from strategy to strategy. It's crazy because right now, like I said, there's no room for error. I'm talking to you. I know how many strategies you've tried before. Now is not the time to do that. You don't need that. Okay? Yes, sometimes you might not see setups, but at the beginning of the video, what did we establish? We said quality over quantity, ladies and gentlemen. And you know, if anything is going to be giving you quality setups, you're not going to see it all the time, but you have to be patient. You need to be patient, ladies and gentlemen, and get only the best. Get the Forex Mastery Program. Be patient. Once the setups arrive, then you trade it like a sniper and you go back down. You come back up. Ladies and gentlemen, that's exactly how you scale your small account size. And I forgot something when I was talking about the best Forex broker to use, which is W Market. You're probably wondering, what is the best leverage size to use? The best leverage size for you guys to use with W Markets right now as we speak is 1 to 200. 1 to 200 is the sweet spot. If you want to go 1 to 500, 1 to 1000, they have options for that. But I would advise you, 1 to 200 is a fantastic leverage. So ladies and gentlemen, once again, I hope I've been able to explain to you guys. I can't really show you all the technical stuff. It's all on the Forex Mastery Program. I can't show you the chart works and all that. I have everything on the Forex Mastery Program, which the link is in the description down below. They got examples, how you should trade it, the technical stuff. Everything is there, ladies and gentlemen. But I just wanted to use this video to guide you guys, okay? Like I said at the beginning, quality over quantity. Stick to US dollar pairs, okay? Trade only the trending markets. You have the Forex Mastery Program. The top-down analysis will teach you, will hold your hand throughout this entire process. Risk management, 25%, okay? I forgot to add, when is it time to stop? You stop at $5,000. Okay, that's the challenge, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we want, okay, no, let's stop at $2,500. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take your with this, use this. And I want you guys to tag me on social media, right? Tag me when you do it. $250 to $2,500. You guys can do it. And at the end of the day, you got $2,500, we could repeat the process again. But guys, don't forget to withdraw your money. You take $250 to $2,500, redraw that money, spend $500, take all the money out, feel it, feel the money. You have to, I always take money out to feel the money. Once you take money out, you feel the money, you take your mama out, you get yourself something nice to eat, you do all that cool stuff. Then it's time for us to go again. And then we can now aim for $2,000 to what? $10,000. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dapo Willis. I'll catch you guys in my subsequent videos. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button right there so that you don't miss out on juicy videos like this. I love you guys very much. If you found this video helpful, ensure to share it, drop a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in my subsequent videos. Take it easy and peace out.